Welcome to the Mindful Zen Mind Ritual. This will equip you with micro-meditation techniques tailored for the high-pressure office environment. Erase your mindfulness and meditation ritual. Let's look at the micro-meditations for office burnout, the real-time rituals for busy professionals. This session focuses on helping you regain mental clarity, reduce stress, and maintain emotional equilibrium, no matter how chaotic your day becomes. Using real-world situations, practical recommendations, and mindfulness techniques, you'll discover quick, effective rituals that don't require you to leave your desk. What is the science behind micro-meditations? What are they? Why do they work? How they differ from traditional meditation practices? What's the neuroscience behind it, and how micro-meditations help release stress hormones and boost focus in under 2 minutes? Think of micro-meditations like hitting the refresh button on your computer. When too many tabs are open, a quick refresh restores speed and prevents a crash. Sarah is a data analyst who feels perpetually overwhelmed by back-to-back meetings, email overload, and tight deadlines. Her stress levels have escalated to a point where she experiences frequent headaches and struggles with chronic fatigue. Sarah's day is packed from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., leaving no time for breaks or mindfulness. The anxiety from trying to juggle tasks is impacting her productivity and health. The solution to this is the 3-breath reset ritual. This ritual takes under 30 seconds and can be done discreetly between tasks or even during meetings. Step 1 is closing your eyes briefly and inhaling deeply for a count of 4. Step 2, hold the breath gently for a count of 4. And exhale slowly for a count of 6. Releasing the tension from your shoulders and face. Set a reminder on your desktop or phone every 2 hours with the phrase 3-breath reset to cue this practice. After 2 weeks of integrating the 3-breath reset, Sarah reported a 30% decrease in perceived stress and an improvement in her ability to focus on complex projects. Another method is the Zen desk grounding ritual. It's a 2-minute ritual involving sensory grounding to shift from fight or flight mode to a state of calm focus. Step 1, place both feet flat on the ground and feel the sensation of the floor beneath. Step 2, slowly scan your environment, identifying 3 things you can see, 2 things you can hear, and 1 thing you can touch. Step 3, take a deep breath, releasing any built-up tension with a long, slow exhale. Incorporate this ritual right after meetings or intense work sessions to reset your mind before diving into the next task. Within 1 month, you will experience a 40% reduction in burnout symptoms and a noticeable improvement in your ability to switch off after work hours. The next ritual is the guided practice, the 60-second desk meditation. It's a guided practice to demonstrate how a 60-second meditation can be your go-to for calming office chaos, refocusing your mind, and boosting productivity. Close your eyes gently, feeling your body rooted to the chair. Take a deep inhale, expanding your lungs fully, and as you exhale, imagine the stress melting away. Visualize a soft, golden light surrounding your head, moving down your shoulders, and settling in your chest, bringing warmth and calmness. Hold on to this feeling as you slowly return your focus to the present moment. Use this meditation during your lunch break, after a frustrating call, or when you feel overwhelmed by deadlines. Create a daily mindfulness plan for the office. Even 5 minutes of mindfulness a day can make a significant impact on stress levels, emotional resilience, and work performance. As your mindful morning commute ritual, practice mindful breathing or listen to a short guided meditation during your commute to set a calm, focused tone for the day. As your midday mindfulness minute ritual, practice a 1-minute practice to center yourself during lunch, focusing on the sensation of eating slowly and savoring each bite. As your evening wind-down ritual, take 5 minutes at the end of the day to journal or reflect on 3 positive moments, reinforcing gratitude and reducing the mental clutter before you leave the office. Practice consistently for 2 weeks. Set reminders and track how you feel afterward to see tangible results. By embracing these mindful Zen mind rituals, you're not just managing burnout, you're actively creating a sustainable approach to success and well-being, no matter how chaotic your workday becomes. The National Institutes of Health (NIH) has conducted several notable studies on the effects of meditation and mindfulness, particularly in relation to managing stress, anxiety, pain, and overall mental health. 1. For pain management with mindfulness meditation, one NIH-funded study explored the impact of mindfulness meditation on pain relief and found that it bypasses the brain's opioid receptors. This research, led by Dr. Fidel Zaidan at Wake Forest School of Medicine, revealed that the pain relief effect of mindfulness meditation operates through non-opioid pathways, suggesting it may offer a unique, drug-free approach for managing chronic pain. The findings highlight how mindfulness activates similar brain regions as traditional pain modulation techniques, but without engaging the opioid system, which could be groundbreaking for non-pharmacological pain management. 2. In the area of mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) for anxiety and pain relief, a study conducted by the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health (NCCIH), a part of the NIH, found that MBSR was more effective than standard care in reducing chronic low back pain and improving function over a 52-week period. This study, involving 342 participants, showed that the benefits of MBSR extended beyond those seen with traditional cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) and standard treatment options. 3. In mindfulness and workplace stress, a systematic review conducted by the NIH examined the efficacy of mindfulness-based interventions for reducing workplace stress. The review found that these programs can significantly impact employees' physiological stress markers, making them promising options for improving workplace well-being and engagement. 4. In the area of yoga and meditation for anxiety disorders, another NIH study compared Kundalini Yoga and cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) for treating generalized anxiety disorder (GAD). While both methods showed efficacy, the study recommended CBT as the first-line treatment, but yoga showed short-term benefits, making it a suitable adjunct therapy for anxiety management. These studies underscore the effectiveness of mindfulness and meditation in various contexts, from pain management to anxiety and workplace stress reduction, providing scientific backing for incorporating these practices into personal development and professional wellness programs.